Let's start with the Dukono. Let's unbox and see what we got inside. Oh, this one is already open. Let's slice open this thing and see what we got in the box. Very excited, everything brand new. Dukono. Okay, battery instruction we don't need. And then let's start. You have to cut off the remote. It's actually tied in the box. You cannot really take it out without. So we're gonna have to cut it open. You get regular Red Cat Racing remote, 4 AA batteries. You're gonna get insert right there. And then you open this and you have all your instrument panel inside. Let's put it aside and go over and see the vehicle. Okay, we don't need the box anymore. It's have in the box also user manual and some other items, but this is the vehicle. Let's start. Overall look, this is a 4-wheel drive vehicle. It's come already with a wheelie bar on the back and pop wheelie. We'll see later how good it's gonna pop wheelie. Let's open and see what there is underneath. I'm really curious to see. Could be that it's very cool, it could be that there is nothing special. So, let's flip it first. Look really nice base for this. The frame on the bottom is really cool. It's assembled from a couple pieces. It means when you're gonna crash this vehicle, you're gonna be able to exchange a section of it, not the entire bottom frame. Let's remove the top. And what we got here, let's start by removing this warning for the battery. Very important for people that don't know and new to the hobby. They put those cardboard pieces with a warning for the battery, since a lot of people using lithium batteries and lithium batteries catch fire. They also explain to you how to connect it. Not something that we need right now for this video, but let's go over see what we got inside. Overall, first look of this vehicle. I'm already seeing something that I really like. The battery here. This is an 8.4 volt battery. It's a nickel metal hydride battery. It's not the lithium, but it's a 3000 milliamp, 8.4 volt. It means that it's going to produce more power out of this 550 motor that they put inside. Let's look. They put 6 kilogram steering servo. The servo right here is a 6 kilogram steering servo. In the past they used to come with a 3 kilogram. The 3 kilogram used to break pretty easy, but Red Cat Racing has the best warranty and they will just replace it for you under warranty. Now it's look completely water sealed. They have the receiver box over here. The receiver box is completely sealed. You have the splash proof ESC. Overall, looking at it, you have here the servo saver system for the front. It looks like it's gonna do its job. It's moving very smooth, landing pretty soft. It's have a nice rebound for those shocks. Usually the shocks are not the highest quality, but those are surprisingly working nice. Those are coilover adjustable shocks, so you can adjust them to a certain pressure that you want for jumping or for just speeding around. On the back, let's go back here to the wheelie bar. It's adjustable wheelie bar. There is 2 screws over here that you can adjust it up or down, depend whatever you're gonna want to do. This is a brushed version. I don't think that the brush version will go crazy and pop wheelie. I don't believe it's have the power, but it could very be that I'm mistaken big time, because this is a new vehicle. I haven't tested yet. We're gonna go and test it later outside, and we're absolutely gonna see what it can or can't do, and we'll tell you about it. Now, when I look all around the front bumper, the entire front bumper system, they did a front bumper. It looks like over here about like 30 degrees, so it can actually fold backwards. It's pretty good because when you hit it, you're not gonna break it. It's very cool. The shock towers are plastic, but they are pretty buff there, but look like 5mm. They're going to be able to absorb a lot of impact. And also the body mount, it's very stiff, it's very strong, and you can adjust the height of the vehicle. A lot of people like to lower the body on it. For this vehicle, I think it's actually the height on it. Let's see. It's actually pretty much perfect, I would say. Looks very nice. I don't know if it's visible in the camera. This is not red. This is candy apple red. Candy apple red color. What they're doing, they put in actually a base of a silver or a base of a gold underneath, and then it's a candy color that is transparent, and you can actually see through the paint kind of the glitter and the metal flakes underneath. So it's going to be very, very nice. I think the design is really nice, really pretty vehicle. On the front of it, there is place for light. Let's open it again. If you're looking right here, they already pre-made the holes to put the light kit. Red Kit Racing have a light kit that can actually fit inside. If not, any LED light can just fit inside, and you can power it by your receiver. Let's see, what else can I see over here? It's look like all the arms and everything on it are really nice. They're done very thick, so they're going to be able to absorb a lot of impact. This vehicle is pretty lightweight, it's not so heavy. And look at it, I just drop it on the table and it lands so smooth. It's just absorbed the impact without popping back up or without bottoming. This is bottoming when it's hit the bottom. When you toss a vehicle and it's actually, you hear it hitting the ground, it means that the shock nuts are good. Maybe they don't have a good silicone oil in them, so you need to change it. You can look at my other video showing how to do that. Overall, this specific video on this specific car, this one is the Dukono, the brushed electric, the very basic vehicle. I think it's really nice. We're gonna go and test it later outside. If you like and subscribe, you can win shirts, hats, and other gifts that we got from Red Kit Racing. We're doing this video on our own, nobody's sponsoring it, but we asked Red Kit Racing to give us some gift to give you guys, the viewers. So you're gonna get the most honest review from us, but the gift of Red Kits, they are giving it away. We just asked and they say absolutely yes, and send us some Red Kit Racing shirts, hats, some stickers, and a flag. All you need to do, like and subscribe, and you can win one of those. Now, those vehicles, when we done doing the reviews, actually, if you're gonna come to our shop at 17540 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills, California, zip code 91344, we're gonna be selling those in fraction of the price as a demo vehicle, so you can already get a vehicle that's been tested. We just did a quick video, and you can get it for a very, very low price. So you need to think about that as well. Like and subscribe. Now we're gonna do 4 different videos for those vehicles we got today. We got the Dukono, we got the Dukono Pro, we got the Camo TT and the Camo X4. We're gonna compare all those vehicles. We're gonna do a run for all those vehicles, so stay tuned. You have to see all that. Now let's close this thing back so you guys can see how it's look with the body on it. And let's set it up. And this is the Dukono. Now, in our next video, I also going to compare the Dukono to the Dukono Pro and see what the difference between the two, if there is a lot of different or not. This is the remote that come with it. Very impressive vehicle. Red Kit Racing definitely upping up their game. This vehicle is not going to be so expensive. It's going to be about $200 plus. I'm not really sure yet. It's a replacement for the Red Kit Racing Volcano. They ran with the Red Kit Racing Volcano since I think they opened Red Kit Racing, and this is going to be the replacement. It's very impressive vehicle. I'm very happy with it so far what I see. The tires, those tires look really good quality versus the usually you get a little bit cheaper rubber. This feel much better.